everyone. Today I'm going to talk about salads. I've been a mostly vegetarian for the last 25 years, and if it's one thing I know how to make, it's salad. Whenever there's a potluck or a dinner party, I always take a salad. People say, "Hey Amber, can you bring a salad?" And I say, "Hey, sure," because I love making salads and I love eating salads. And I've found over the years that there's a recipe for that, for the perfect salad, and I'm going to share it with you today. There are 4 main components to the basic yummy salad. First one is greens. So we have a category over here with more milder greens like red leaf, green leaf, butter leaf lettuce, romaine, iceberg. Those are all mild. And then over here you have your more bitter greens that would be like arugula, endive, watercress, kale, spinach, radicchio. Herbs, fresh herbs from your garden are great thrown in salads too. Number 2 component is fruit and vegetables, but I'm going to talk about fruit today because who doesn't love fruit, right? Doesn't everyone love fruit? Put fruit in a salad and see what happens, guys. So I make dinner for all the kids at my church every Wednesday night, and I'm always trying to get fruits and veggies into that meal plan. And without a doubt, the most favorite salad is just leafy greens with sliced strawberries. Those kids eat that up. When they come through the line and I say, "Oh, it's strawberry salad tonight," they want the salad. Explore the fruit aisle in your grocery store. The third component is cheese. Now, some of you might not eat cheese, and that's totally fine, but this is just something that I've learned over the years is a great combo. So if you eat cheese, I encourage you to go to the store and try new cheeses too. Familiarize yourself with different cheeses. Maybe say, "Okay, I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to buy one new cheese that I've never tried." You might find something that you absolutely love that you didn't even know you were living without. And the fourth component is crunch. Crunch can come from nuts and seeds. I mean, you've got all kinds of things like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, and then of course there's a world of nuts out there. So if you have a favorite nut, keep it in the house and toast it or don't toast it and throw it on your salad, and I guarantee it's going to add that extra texture that makes a really good salad so great. Balance your flavors. So if you have like a really sharp, pungent cheese, maybe pair that with something with a fruit that's on the sweeter side, and put some nuts in there. Toasted or raw, either way, nuts are just a great crunch. And if you have allergies, like nut allergies, there are other things on the market that are great to add crunch to your salad. Of course, there's croutons. I mean, let's be honest, like the salad that's on every single menu in every restaurant in America is iceberg lettuce, shredded cheddar cheese, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, croutons, served with a little ranch dressing, right? I mean, who hasn't eaten that salad a million times? I'm here to tell you to branch out and try new things. Try this salad with the greens, the fruit, the crunch, and the cheese, and you won't be disappointed. Okay guys, so I did a little experiment. I went online and looked at menus from local restaurants here in Amarillo, Texas, and I just want to tell you that my theory holds up because I want you to listen to these combinations of salads, salad ingredients that I took right from their menus online. The first place, peach, fruit, pecans, nuts, crunch, cherry tomatoes, also fruit, blue cheese, cheese. And these are all on beds of green. We've got the 4 components. The next one is your greens with apple, strawberries, blueberries, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. Interesting. Those 4 components are on that salad too. How about this one? Spinach, walnuts, strawberries, goat cheese. And this one has a lot on it. And don't forget that you can do dried fruit, which is really great on salads too. Apples, grapes, feta cheese, nuts, pumpkin seeds, raisins, and cranberries. That sounds pretty good. This one has spinach, shredded cheese, grapes, apples, and pecans. Again, those 4 components. I'm telling you, it's a win-win with this recipe. So I want you to try it, give it a whirl, tell me what you think. Dressing can make a difference too, but I've learned that a no-fail dressing to go with any salad with these 4 components is a vinaigrette. And I'm gonna be posting a video in the next couple days about how to make a basic vinaigrette. So you can take that as your base, but you can add spices and herbs and anything that you want to it to give it more flair or flavor. You could add your fruit to the dressing even, or use fruit juice. Citrus juices like grapefruit, lime, lemon, they're all great to use either in place of vinegar or in addition to vinegar when you're making it. So comment with your combos below because I would love to hear what you are doing in the kitchen. I hope this inspires you, and thank you for letting me share about my very favorite food, which is salads. It really is. So I will see you in a few days with that salad dressing recipe.